guys, a warm welcome back to the channel and a very happy new year. Now, most of us are probably glad to put 2020 behind us, but I love to focus on the positives. So grab yourselves one of these, kick back, and I'm going to show you some of the great stuff that happened. Cheers. Now, my message for 2021 is very simple. Do something you love, follow your passion, and don't waste your one shot at life doing something that makes you unhappy. I changed, I was in an IT career, very bored, and I decided to follow my passion and do something with cars. And, well, like everything else in life, it's a roller coaster. It's ups and downs, it's not easy, it's hard work, but here's how my journey started. Hopefully, it will inspire you. What kind of frickin' Muppet books a flight at this time in the morning? Technically, it was the very end of 2019 when I flew down to Florida and helped Sam with his famous green 360 spider project, of which, by the way, he still hasn't finished. Anyway, we worked hard for 2 weeks, really got loads of work done, and we had a blast at the same time. And from that collaboration, I have a very great friend that I speak to every day. He's the mentor for my channel, really, and I count my lucky stars that I met Sam. And my only regret is in 2020, I was meant to fly back down there because we already started filming another project together, but we still haven't had the opportunity to finish that. Anyway, hopefully that's coming this year. Immobilizer, dude.
Is that what I was doing?
It's going well, isn't it? So, the moment of truth. We have spent days doing and redoing this car. And how do you feel about this, Sam? This moment?
I've started this car many times to rectify issues. I've never been more nervous than this time.
Okay, confidence is high then.
Yeah.
However, the actual idea of starting my own YouTube channel was planted a little bit before going to see Sam. Matt Farah had flown over to the UK to film 2 smoking tyre videos, one on my daily driven challenge Stradale and the other on my rat rod Testarossa. Ratarossa, which is where my channel came from. And during filming that Testarossa video was one of the funniest unplanned moments that I've experienced in my YouTube career.
It actually has sort of a nice ride. It sort of floats a bit.
Yeah.
Probably a nice road tripper.
This, so I'm on my 3rd set of springs. I've been trying to get that suspension right correct.
Ah!
As you can see, I haven't quite got it right.
Ah! What was all those things that just happened? That was so many wrong things at once.
Maybe I've got it a bit low on the front.
Oh my god, dude, that's awesome. Well, there's your yeehaw moment.
There's my yeehaw. They were fresh new tyres. I haven't got much tread on those now, yeah?
Bro.
During 2020, I was extremely fortunate to work with some amazingly talented people. Here's a few of my faves. Now, in today's modern age, teenagers no longer want to be doctors, teachers, firemen, or something in computers. They all want to be YouTubers. I mean, what's not to like about it? It's easy. You jump in a car, you film for 20 minutes, you put it out, and you make a lot of money. So it would seem. Still pinch yourself getting behind something like this. Did you ever imagine that you could speak to Ferrari and they would say, yes, James, here's the keys to a £332,000 Ferrari, have it for the weekend and have some fun?
No, I quite frankly, I still don't believe it. It's one of the things that I've often said on the channel is that I really, really hope this sort of, you know, schoolboyish, giddy enthusiasm never vanishes every time a press car appears on the driveway.
So we are going out in the famous
And fake.
famous and fake Cobra. Check this out.
A lovely
Exhaust.
Ford Sierra key to go in the ignition. I believe
They
it's a
all
Sierra
came with that,
Fiesta.
yeah.
Yep.
Sierras of the 60s.
If we go right here,
I think I need one of these in the garage. Okay, so firstly, welcome Big Chris to Ratarossa channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. As I explained, I heard your story, and I don't think if I relayed that myself, anyone would believe it. It is just so bizarre.
Well, actually, it wasn't me, unfortunately. I missed the boat by a little bit. I really did want the car, but it went to somebody else. However, I am looking for something pretty much exactly like that because, yeah, I don't like cars getting away from me.
And as if all that wasn't enough, I then had YouTube megastar Salamondrin put out a dedicated video to his 1.6 million followers. And within it, he posted a $1,000 reward to help me find the missing F40. I mean, how nice is that guy?
And his name is Ratarossa, and he seems to be a British bloke, if you will, or a British lad with an incredible taste in cars.
Cheers, Scott. You know, I heard you found a 512 BB laying in the grass, and I reported that car stolen some time ago, so I'm going to need that returned. I appreciate you buying it for me, though.
Grab yourself a coffee, or in the case of Richard Rawlings, beer assistant. Thank you. Grab yourself a beer, swipe up for the video, and enjoy the show. Get you some of that. And then, of course, filming, like so many things in life, doesn't always quite go to plan. Still dry. Still dry. And you are going to not crash the Porsche, are you?
I'm going to not crash the Porsche.
All right, let's do it. Most of you probably all think my cars were handed to me on a silver platter, and you'd be completely wrong. I've worked really hard for those cars. You all probably also think you need to have supercars like Ferraris to create a YouTube channel. Again, you would be wrong. My close friend Rob from Salvage Rebuilds UK does things from very cheap few £100 cars all the way up to Cosworths and Ferraris, and his channel is absolutely superb. I love it.
And plenty of power. So, she is now a runner. And on that note, that is going to be the end of today's video.
And finally, we went on some amazing and crazy adventures together. We tracked down a missing Ferrari F40 in the desert. We saved an abandoned Ratarossa and got it rebuilt. And then we rescued a poor, neglected Boxer. All of that, and there's a lot more to come in 2021. So guys, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who have supported the channel, who have watched the videos, who have made this journey of mine so enjoyable. And to top it off, during December, we have just smashed through the 100,000 subscriber mark. So thanks to you guys, thanks to all of my friends, my family, my loved ones who have really supported me through this last 2 years. It has been a bit of a battle sometimes, trust me. Anyway guys, let's make 2021 count. Follow your dreams, do what makes you happy, chase that passion of yours, and you can make whatever you want happen if you really put your mind to it. Anyway guys, I will see you all in 2021. Cheers and ciao for now.